Hi guys, welcome to a new video here at Sublime Traders. I'm Logical Orange, and in this video we are going to talk about the absolutely parabolic move that Bitcoin has done the last few days after breaking the 1.68 Fibonacci level. We are also going to talk about where it can go and what my projections are for the near and distant future. Let's go to the chart.
Watch how you get paid over and over again. Account management, be careful how you spend. Take all your doubts.
So this is what happens when you get a world crisis, people that are unemployed and with time on their hands, and some good news that like the vaccine that is almost 90% done for and validated for this crisis. And also based on some technical analysis, we can see that on the 4th and 5th of November we have tried to break over the 0.618 Fibonacci level, which I told you so many times is very important. We broke over the 0.786 at $16,250, and now we are just 9% away from the 20k level. So what people are saying now is that it will be a blow off top. When it will be, it is not yet sure. I personally think that the price will try to get to 20k. I think it's psychological. I think that people want it to go to 20k. I think they want it to go even further, but I also know that there are some institutionals that want to take advantage of this situation. And also technically I will show you something that will open your eyes on what happened when we go as parabolic as we did now with an angle this steep. So let's get into it. So this kind of move only happened twice in the history of Bitcoin. It happened here and it happened here, and now we are here. It really looks like a cycle that is on the top, so it's basically like a wave that is following a very precise structure. We know that the price dump will come. It's just we need to identify when the reversal will happen and how low can it go. So let's base our assumptions on history because it's all we have right now. We will not take news into account for this. We will just take some technical analysis. So we know that it happened 2 times before. Let's see what happened. So if we take an angle and we place the base of an angle like a triangle, like a fan more, we place it on the bottom, on the top, and we form an angle. We have here the price angle of the first spike. We have the second spike right here. We will place it at the base, we will aim it at the high, and we will form an angle like this with a horizontal line. This is the second spike. The third spike will start around here, will end here, and we will take the horizontal line as a reference. So if we check this, the two patterns that have ended already, we can see that every time we went up, we went down to the horizontal line after. So we went to 20k, then we went to 5.7k and even lower. Then we went up to 14k, and then we dropped lower again. So I fear that this will happen again. It will not happen in one time, of course. It will happen like historically, like it has before, but there is a high possibility that we can go up to this level, and we see that this level is the 0.5 Fibonacci. So what do we know about the 0.5 Fibonacci is that if we close some candles above or below it, the trend will go in the same direction. So let's say, for the sake of argument, that the price will go back to this level and it will close the price right here. It may risk to go all the way to this level, so 9,523. And don't say that this is not possible, because it has happened before. Price moves in Bitcoin are oftenly unpredictable. On the positive side, because we have talked about bad things that can happen right now, on the positive side we have also a W formation. Using all the candles we have on the chart right here, we can see that we have one low, we have the second low, which is a bit higher, and we have the upper parts of the W that are waiting to be formed. So this is a reason for me to believe that it can go up to 20k and then retrace. There will be a retracement. The question is, will it be a small retracement up to the 0.68 or up to the previous resistance that we had right here? Or will it be a retracement up to the 0.618, which is a very important level? We know that the maximum it could go is at around this level right here, so 10k. It can go down this much, believe me. And we know on the upside we have the 20k. What happens after 20k is that we are in no man's land. We don't know what happens. Everything can happen. So let's move to a smaller time frame. We are now looking at the 4-hour time frame on Bitcoin USDT. We can see that we have, of course, we have broken the resistance we have talked about earlier, and in the meantime we have had a test. This is a liquidation check. Most of it has liquidated a lot of people right here that were long. We are right now almost midway between the resistance and the highest high, so 20k 17.2. we are midway. If you want to enter now, you need to be very careful. There will be some more liquidation checks along the way. It's this is like you have a juicy apple and you want to pick it. I'm talking from an institutional standpoint. They see that you have stop losses there. They see in the order book that you have stop losses there. They can manipulate the market by entering high leveraged positions of a lot of contracts or BTC, and they can eat through your liquidation points and then go just back up. So be very careful with the stop losses right now. As I said earlier, it can go to 20k. I personally think it will aim for 20k. However, expect some more liquidation checks as we've had last night. So if I were to summarize the whole video in several points, is we have seen two examples, historical examples, that show us that the price action after a parabolic move has decreased a lot. Second, we have seen a liquidation check last night and expect more. And third, we can possibly go to 20k, but we need to be careful. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. This is Logical Orange. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to know more about Sublime traders, don't hesitate to come on our Telegram group. We have a lot of information for new and experienced traders. Thank you and happy trading.